Hi, today in front of me DOOGEE T10 and I'll show you how to activate Google Assistant on Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So let's first launch Google app and then tap on the right upper corner. Go then to the settings and click to Google Assistant section. Then tap to Hey Google and Voice Match. To activate Hey Google option, click once on the switcher, click to Next, Yes I agree, Continue, Not now. And now we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. If you want Assistant to recognize your voice, just click Voice Model, retain a voice model, and I will repeat after the Assistant. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe.